Come on, Sadie. Mommy's home. There she is.
See, when you turn 50, you get a bag.
What is it? The ARRP bag?
Yeah. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. I know. I got something in there for you. It's got
breath.
alfalfa, parsley, fennel, dill, and peppermint.
Nice. Did you get a treat, girl? Boom. Hey, I'm gonna do me a little fishing. Just got off work. Got me a rooster tail. I'm gonna go over here to this pond right behind my house that I had permission to fish in. Let me wipe you off it. Ooh, it's raining. Got some storms keep on coming through, but starting to cool down. I want to get over to this pond and check it out, see if I can catch some fish. So the last time I was over here at this pond, one of my neighbors, he thinks he owns the pond, but he only owns like 1/8 of it. So he pulled out his gun and got his dog over there on me, and I had to call the cops because pointing a gun at me. But I think I want to get my 45 this time. Yeah, I think I'll just carry my old 45 over there this time. Just in case he wants to get out his BB gun. So yeah, it's getting crazy out there. Just last week, the old president got shot. Right in the old ear ball. So right up here is his property line. So right here is his property line. That's his marker. We're up here at the pond. So the pond starts about right here. He owns right here 90 degree off of my fence line, which is straight up there. So I always fish over there about halfway at the pond, and the pond goes all the way over there. So I never go past his property line when I fish this pond. But last time I was over here fishing like halfway, he come out, you can hear his dog over here. That's where he lives over there. And he come out with his little BB gun, yelling at me, pointing it at me, get off his land. But this is the property line. So last week I busted his bubble on, he thought he owned all this pond. So I just came up through my property, and this is my fence right here. I cross right over here, which is the edge of the pond. That's my way into my fishing spot. And I just walk up here to the edge of the pond and do my fishing. I always start on this side of the pond and then catch all my fish. When it peters out, I go halfway if I want to continue to fish. So we'll walk up here and start on the right hand side of the pond. So right here is my path that I walk, and I just come right up here on the bank, and there's the pond. You know, the right side. Oh, there's a nice crane right there. Take it off. And always go down to this fallen tree down here and do my fishing. And I try to give him like a buffer because I know he owns like an eighth of the pond, which is, he probably don't even have no pond right now because the pond is dried up and his property line is way down there. So in my last video, when I was down here fishing and he confronted me, he was talking about, you know, he's only been there about 6 months, and he had some renters in here, and his renters in the last couple of years, they fell all them trees back there. If you can see all them trees, and a lot of them, they toppled into the pond. So I mean, it's going to be hard fishing for him. I mean, he's going to have to get out there and drag them out of there if he wants some good fishing. So I'll show you there's the pond right there, and I'll zoom in on the tree that I stop at fishing. That log right there is where I'll go down the bank and I'll fish half the pond. But I'm assuming that his property line is probably over there where that tree fell straight across. We got a little bit of pond. And I just start fishing right there. Fish about half the pond. It's a good 1/8 acre pond. Some big bass in here, some crappie, and some bluegill. I just lost one. I had one bite. All right, I think I got something. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a stick. Oh, damn stick. Nice bass just jumped over there. Maybe they're going to start feeding. All right, so I didn't catch no fish yesterday at the pond, but we might catch a fish today. So down here at Tar River Life, I just let some of the campers know they might hear some booms and don't travel down this road down here by the train trestle, because if they're a good shot, they might pull this off. Y'all sure you know what you're doing?
We were trained by professionals and we went to Bond High School.
What's all the soda bottles for? You thirsty?
We're thirsty.
It's how old?
Only 25 at least.
25 years old. It's got a shelf life on.
I don't know.
Yeah, ain't no damn shelf life on fucking ammonium nitrate. There ain't nothing but ammonium nitrate right
Maybe a
there.
little more in there.
That's the same thing that blew up the federal building in
But we ain't got to do the
Waco.
Yeah.
That's the same thing. Ammonium nitrate and diesel fuel is what blew up the federal building in Oklahoma.
Oklahoma City.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. All right, so this is what them guys that want to clear out is a log jam. Never did this before, but could be dangerous.
Yeah, Billy's down there, he's videoing me and Randy mixing it and every the whole 9 yards. We'll see, we might be 20 minutes. It might be, we're not gonna argue right now. We might drop it accidentally.
We'll wait for you.
You're a big boom, try and go back.
I don't know, you could have put 5 of them in there and then 5 tablespoons and then mix the whole down Fabuloso up.
In action.
It's going to be fabuloso.
All right, so let's talk about what we want to do.
Oh, that is.
This needs to be sealed up tight, man.
Yeah.
It don't need to be.
And you shake it some more to cover it all up.
You're going to use one of your fancy knots?
I don't think I can do that on this. I'll just do it like this. No, that won't work. And that will. You ain't got the saw with it, do you?
No, it's up there at the Connex, though.
I could put that down, limb right now.
One of these limbs?
Yeah.
All right, I have to go up there and get it.
Because if I swing this right out there,
All around his foot now.
huh?
All around his foot.
Yeah, okay.
If you're not Billy, I swear to God, if you put this on social media, I'm gonna lose my shit. You better move your truck.
Oh, yeah, we're going to.
Is it gonna blow up? I mean, what activates it?
Right.
A gun.
Isn't that a little too much?
But we're gonna fill it up.
All right, here goes Charlie Brown.
That's on
Ooh, that looks good.
That ain't bad.
You got a snag.
Guess you didn't like it
Don't get it wet.
Myself, but is it gonna damage the bridge?
though. It should not.
That's the railroad bridge, anyway. That's the railroads.
Billy,
They abandoned it.
I'm gonna throw you in with that line.
All right, here you go. Take two.
Still ain't got it.
Ooh. Ooh.
You didn't break the box.
Right there. That's
Right there.
exactly where I want to go with it.
All right.
There you go.
Softball champion of 1989.
It's under your foot too.
Oh shit, that thing's
Throw it,
really,
bring it back.
that thing's
Perfect.
turned loose on me because of the weight change.
That was just practice, right?
My practice run. Ew.
I used to pitch in Little League.
Well, let Billy throw it. You got a knot right
It's
there.
underhanded though. You gonna think you can get it? You can fall in.
Perfect.
Ooh.
Damn, if I could just see it.
God.
Gotta get the rope over here, maybe pull it. Get this angle over here. And then pull
Randy,
it.
you may pull a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Did you see that?
There's a sharpshooter. Taking cover. You missed. Ceasefire.
Car horn, look, the alarm system's going off on the cars.
Somebody's alarm system's going. Ah, my ear hurts.
Hear the car?
Smoke has cleared. Well, there's a little hole over there. That's about it. There, they turned off their alarm. We might have a fish.
Oh well. There's green string splattered over there on the.
There's
Oh look, it stayed on there.
just a lid.
Maybe we'll do it with a cable next time.